Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So guys, I've tried these two amazing creams, and you know that I've been trying a lot of products from Mama Earth. So this is the day cream and this is the night cream. And I've been using it for a while now, and I was looking for a day cream which has SPF and which is really good for my skin. I have extremely dry skin, I know you guys know that, and this cream is really good for all skin types. So I usually apply it before applying my makeup whenever I go out, and let me tell you, this is paraben free, doesn't have any chemicals, and it has pomegranate oil, rice bran oil, and a lot of amazing ingredients. So this retails for 599 rupees, and I got it on Amazon. And this is a nice kind of light cream which is really good for your skin. So I'm just going to apply this and show you now. So this is what the bottle looks like. So you just need to take very little cream and apply it on your face. This really feels light on your face, and because this has SPF 20, it's better if you apply it 15 to 20 minutes before going out. So this will protect from sunlight, and it will also moisturize your skin. So I really love this product, and this is what I've been using recently. The second cream is the night cream from Mama Earth, and so I like using something which is a little heavy on my face because I want it to moisturize my skin when I sleep. And this is their overnight repair night cream, and this is again for 599 rupees. And this has amazing ingredients. It has almond oil, shea butter, it has daisy flower extract, it has saffron extract. So this is really good. So what you have to do is just apply it before you go to bed, and it will really nourish your face, and it's so good. So I've been applying it for about 2 weeks now, and then there are no acne marks, no pimples, anything, and it really moisturizes my skin. So I would really recommend you guys to go try this. So this is from Mama Earth, and their products are really good, all natural ingredients, and you can get it from Amazon. And if you've tried this, or if you have tried any other Mama Earth products, do let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to hit the like button. See you guys. Bye.